Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Murad Khan Basic Chemistry. Today is our lecture number 18. The topic is functional group. Functional group, it is defined as an atom or group of atom or multiple bond that give certain characteristic property to an organic molecule or compounds. It is an atom or group of atom or multiple bond that give characteristic property to an organic molecules. It means functional group, it is most chemically active portion of an organic molecule. Actually, the bond within a functional group are the site for chemical reaction. It means chemical reaction are due to functional group. There are large number of organic compounds present in our world. A million of organic compounds are present in our world, and each and every year 1,000 of new organic compounds are discovered, are prepared, synthesized each and every year. We have such a huge diversity, a huge number of organic compounds. So for a chemist, it is very difficult task to study each and every molecule, organic molecule separately. It is not impossible, but it is too much difficult for a chemist to study each organic molecule separately. So we classify organic compound. It is either on the basis of structure or functional group. The classification which is based on the structure, it is the oldest one. And the classification which is based on the functional group, it is the most modern one. The classification which is based on the functional group, it is the most valuable. It is advantages over the classification which is based on the structure. This is because the classification, we classify organic compound on the basis of functional group mainly due to it is functional group are most chemically active portion of the organic molecule. Number 2, mostly chemical reaction are due to functional group. It is the bond within a functional group, it is actually the site for a chemical reaction. The peculiar property of the organic molecule are due to functional group. Nomenclature is actually based on functional group. Nomenclature means the naming of organic compounds. All these property which having advantage due to these property, functional group having advantages over the classification which is based on the structure. All compounds that contain same functional group having similar chemical property and are placed in the same homologous list. It means the compound having same functional group. it must be having same chemical property and it is placed under and the same homologous series. The remaining property, chemical property, are due to functional group, and the remaining property are determined by the remaining part of the molecule or compounds. Mainly, the organic compound, it has two parts. Organic compound has two parts. One is hydrocarbon parts, hydrocarbon parts are also called alkyl parts. And it is represented by R. And the second part is functional group. Organic compounds mainly composed of two parts. One part is hydrocarbon or alkyl part, which is represented by R, and the second part is functional group. For example, we have alcohol functional group, that is OH, and a molecule methanol. Methanol, sorry, not methanol, methanol. Methanol is aldehydes, and its formula is CH3OH, its chemical formula. This part is alkyl parts, and it is represented by R, means this is alkyl parts, and this OH part is the functional group. OH functional group, while CH3 is alkyl parts. Dear viewer, all the compound which having OH group as a functional group, it means that is placed in the homologous series of alcohol and it has similar chemical property. While the remaining property, remaining physical property like melting point, it is mainly due to this alkyl parts or hydrocarbon parts. I mean, this is the structural parts. We have a large number of organic compounds which we have discussed previously, and the functional group are few as compared to the large number, a huge number of organic compounds. But we classify these large number, huge diversity of organic compound on the basis of these few number of functional group, and we study all organic compound under these functional group quite easily as compared to when we are going to study each and every compound individually. This is very difficult, and according to classification which is based on the functional group, it is quite easily for a chemist to study organic compounds. Dear viewer, in our next video, inshallah, I will discuss on nomenclature, mean naming how we are going to give in the name of organic compound. So keep watching my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.